What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Accsoon, and today I've got an interesting product. This is something different. This is the SEMO from Accsoon. It's not a drone, but it is camera related, and I wanted to share my experience with you. Now, Accsoon did send me this product to review and create a video, so just kind of note that, but I'm going to share my experience with it, and you can decide for yourself if this is a tool that you're looking for. So if you're new to the channel, our main focus is drones, but we do also like to focus on other pieces of kit that may be useful to content creators. So here we go. Now this is an adapter basically that will turn your iPhone into a monitor for your camera. Not only will it do that, but you can also then live stream, making it a really nice solution for content creators that want to use a better camera than their phone on the go, and then you can use that to live stream. Or if you're just looking for a better monitor to use with your camera, it functions for that as well. Okay, so let's talk about what I like about this thing. It's nice and small and compact. I can just throw this right into my camera bag. And of course, the screen on my phone is really good, so using it as a monitor is an added bonus. And it's really easy to set up. It just kind of slides open. You put it in there, it stays in place. I can connect it with that quarter 20 on the bottom, add a couple of cables, and I'm good to go in less than a minute. Now, if I'm using this inside the app, I can record right to my phone, and that allows me to share right away. So not only can I just live stream with this device, I can share things to my phone and then send it out. So I think this is really pretty ideal for vloggers and people that are using things like Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. Definitely a nice little tool. So taking a look at this device, this opens up so it can fit a pretty large iPhone, but definitely not an iPad. And this button will close it in on your phone. On the side, we have an on-off button, and then the video out. It's a USB-C to iPhone cable. Then you plug this into your phone, and then on the other side, you've got an HDMI out, and that's gonna go to your camera. We also have a 5-volt out, so if you wanna power your phone or something else from this port, you can do that. On the bottom, we have a standard quarter 20, and they give you this little mount that kind of screws into place. So if you wanna throw this onto, say, like a cold shoe on your camera, you can do that, which is what I'm gonna do. And then we've got another mount on the top, so if you wanna mount something like, I don't know, we'll say a microphone, you can do that too. Inside the box, you have the unit, the adapter, and a handful of cords that you need. What you don't have is one of these NP batteries and an HDMI cable. Those are two things you're gonna have to source yourself, and both are necessary in order for it to work with your camera. So I've used this a couple of times, and I really like it as a larger monitor. The monitor that comes on my camera kind of gets hidden a little bit by the viewfinder, but I get a little bit of that bottom corner cut off. All right, so there are other things that I like about the SEMO in addition to just giving me a larger monitor for my camera and the ability to live stream. Inside the app, you get a little bit more functionality, and it kind of allows you to do things without having to get into your camera settings. So let's just kind of take a look here. Now I can go ahead and record, and it's going to record to the camera roll on my phone. I've got the ability to change the bit rate up here. Lots of functionality down here at the bottom. Some different things that I can toggle. Some different things that I can see. I get more information. It's really nice to have the histogram right there for me. Lots of different buttons and things that I can push to give me some information. Now, one thing that I did note is that it did come with distortion on, so I de-squeezed that to 1x, otherwise it just kind of made me look a little fat. I don't know why I'd want that, at least not by default, but lots of different things going on here. So other things you can do, you can change the brightness, you can sharpen your image a little bit. Just lots of functionality inside of the app. Change the ratio that I record at. I can take screenshots of the video. Now, also one thing that I really liked here was this overlay feature. So if I was doing, say, a live stream and I wanted an overlay of my logo or the product that I was discussing, I could go ahead and turn that on, right? So here we got the SEMO on my camera. I can go ahead and change some of that opacity to see it come through. So kind of a neat little feature there. So you get a little bit of extra functionality in addition to just getting yourself a bigger monitor and the ability to live stream. Okay, so if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Obviously, there are other cameras out there other than drones, and this is one of those tools. It's actually pretty nice. Chris and I were talking a while back that we actually wish we had a product like this, so it was nice to get this in our hands. And it isn't like we haven't done other non-drone related camera products before. So if you're looking for other useful things to add to your kit, make sure you check the video description down below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying. Or happy shooting.